Okay, well, I guess this is the last episode. This is the end. This is when we said goodbye. Man, I hate goodbyes. They're like, they suck so much. I hate them almost as much as I hate really slow build-ups. Like, get to the drop already. Gosh, you know? And then I'm not going to show you because it's not even freaking worth it. I'm just kidding. So that was the end. As you can tell with the few clips there from Tokyo and Hawaii, it wasn't the end, but we had to say goodbye to a lot of people. So this is the last official day of the retreat, and it was the most spontaneous one. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's day 4 and we are still in the wilderness, and it was great to wake up to some elephant noises. Like, that was actually the best. That was very soothing. Very much not like roosters that are kind of just annoying. And yeah, some people got some drone shots. We're gonna see what happens today. What are you guys eating?
French toast.
Oh really?
Pancake sliced like cheesecake. And some eggs.
Nice.
Whole experience. With some orange spread on the French toast because they don't have syrup.
Delish.
Interesting.
My goal is to find syrup.
We're here by where the cows were yesterday, and I'm gonna do some training to get some vlog material. So we have all these nice rolling cow hills with which to look upon. So let's see what we can do.
Window? No, all together. All together. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Parkour! 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 Parkour!
Alright, so we're in a bit of a time crunch, but managed to get some flips in. So this is the tally for the drinks we had.
Next time you want to
see.
do something like that.
Adam had the most beer, like 8 something there.
Hey! I was buying beers for everyone.
Oh, okay.
I see everyone else with a beer though.
So we're checking out right now,
3 minutes.
and I think we might be going bamboo rafting, hopefully, but we'll see.
Meaning hello, Omu chopper. Omu chopper.
So the day started out with a spontaneous parkour session, and then we said goodbye to the spicy villa. From there we saw some really intricate crafting from some of the locals, and we kept driving toward the rafting that we hadn't originally planned, and you better believe our guide showed us some cool tricks. Alright, so we drove down and we stopped by where the rafts were yesterday, and we're going to go rafting, and I'm going to see if I can do some parkour on the rafts, so we'll see how that goes. And Gene's bringing a 360 cam, so it's going to be pretty great. So the thing about bamboo rafting in Thailand... Goodbye! You never know what to expect. This is nice. It's an elephant! Getting that back scratching.
Whoa! Oh yeah! It's working for us.
insane. That guy is doing an amazing job. Oh shit! Oh, you alright? Yeah. Give me the.
This one has already been looted. See you! Bye!
Too much weight on the back.
So, this rafting trip was everything. We saw an elephant, we got splashed on by locals, came into a mini rave, we raced each other, and none of this was expected. We thought it was just going to be a peaceful adventure. So, that's the end of the rafting trip, but the surprises did not stop there.
Oh! That was sick. That was actually really impressive. That was clean though.
So we finished the raft ride, and it was a pretty incredible experience. Right, Terrell?
Right. I don't know what I'm saying right to.
Yes, exactly.
Dude, that was an awesome backflip.
Oh yeah, I over-rotated.
It's still dope.
It's fine.
I can't even touch my toes.
How's your leg?
Dude, I literally dodged everything. Every way I dodged all the water except for the little kids throwing it at me.
Shoot. That's actually really impressive, because my legs were wet at the beginning, so...
I was like riding like this with my leg up the whole time.
Anyways, ended up being more exciting than like... Because that was just like a normal raft ride, right? We're like, okay, it's pretty cool. But then an elephant started twerking in front of us. Did you see that?
I did see that.
Yeah. What were the memorable moments?
That elephant, when you walked in, like, to a certain point, I just heard like the... And then I turned around and was like, oh my god, there's an elephant there rubbing against the tree.
Yeah.
And then the little kids just splashing the tourists. Because, why not?
Yeah, that was crazy.
And you doing that backflip.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What did you like?
Seeing the little villages.
Oh, those looked really nice.
I got to steer like our front, our
Nice.
guy let me steer.
Yeah, we didn't get to do that. That's pretty cool. What did you guys enjoy?
I enjoyed the race. We got in front of everybody.
Number one.
Only two of you on that raft.
Yeah.
Oh, what
I mean,
the?
I don't know. You all got hands
What?
on the paddle.
Oh, snap.
What? 100?
Yes.
All right, sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you see this? Oh. They, on the way down from the rafts, they took pictures of us, printed them, and framed them.
Oh wow, that's
Like,
efficiency.
that's crazy.
That's Asian efficiency here.
It's kind of like whitewater rafting, but less extreme.
Oh, okay.
We are back. I'm gonna shower up, so is everyone else, basically, and then we're gonna go to the night market.
2,000 years later.
So we are downtown now. What area is this?
You don't know?
No.
This is Wat Pho Chiang Mai.
Anyone know? Okay. It's not Sunday though. It is Sunday? Anyways, we're here. We're gonna get some street food eventually, but nice performers over there. We spent the whole night eating amazing street food. How was it?
It was pretty good actually.
We just tried the Korean fried chicken, and I think that's my favorite out of the two things. What do you think?
It was pretty delicious.
Sweet. Listening to beautiful music. Getting souvenirs.
Jazz, man.
It was amazing. Oh wow, a kid.
Pick the holes. Yeah.
Was he singing it in a different language? Is he singing it in Thai?
Yeah, he is.
Oh wow. A kid singing Deck the Halls in,
Pick the holes
in Thai. Yeah, found a taxi. So what did you guys end up doing?
Walking around. We did get a foot massage.
How was that?
That was great. You saw what happened to Adam.